Hello students, welcome to mathematics demo session. My name is Sahil Gupta and I have experience of 4 years in teaching mathematics. First of all, I am very thankful to team Byju's for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Let's proceed further. Our topic of demonstration is Introduction to Trigonometry. Today, here we explore important formulas with NCERT based content. First question comes in our mind, what is trigonometry when we heard this word? So the word trigonometry is derived from the Greek word tri, which means three, gon means sides, and metron means measures. These three words comprises as a word trigonometry. So trigonometry is completely based on the right angle triangle. So in fact, trigonometry is a study of relationship between the sides and the angle of triangles. So here it is also written that trigonometry is completely based on the triangles, and these triangles consist of perpendicular, hypotenuse and base. What you heard? Perpendicular, hypotenuse and base. Some of the time perpendicular is also known as height. So here we see there is a triangle ABC, and right angle triangle is drawn on the angle B. So AB is a perpendicular. Here we see AB is a perpendicular, which is also known as a height, and AC is a hypotenuse and BC is a base. So one important note is that side opposite to the given angle. Here the given angle is theta. Given angle is theta, which is known as angle ACB. Angle ACB. The whatever angle we are talking about, it is always written on middle. That is ACB. C is in middle. We are talking about angle C. Angle C is theta, and in front of theta there is always be a perpendicular. In front of a theta there is always be a perpendicular, which is also known as height. Let's proceed further points. Now the position of side has been changed when you consider angle A in place of C. In previous slide we see that angle C has a theta, but here we see angle A has a theta, and whatever the angle should be written in theta, in front of angle theta always be a side is a perpendicular. Here angle A has a theta, and angle A has a theta. In front of angle A always BC has a perpendicular. BC is perpendicular, or it can be say as height. Okay, next point, we now define certain ratios involving the sides of a right angle and call them trigonometric ratios. These triangle consist of some ratios we called as trigonometric ratios or T ratios in always in a right angle triangle. These trigonometric ratios always in a right angle triangle. What you heard? In a right angle triangle. And now what we learned here? We learned that trigonometric is always considered in a right angle triangle, which is comprises as hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. So let's move to the trigonometric ratios. In earlier classes you have studied the concept of ratios. We now define certain ratios involving the sides of right angle triangle and call them as a trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios are considered as sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. These six ratios are the trigonometric ratios. In earlier classes you have already studied it, but here we study about the concept in a right angle triangle. Sin theta is considered as P upon H, means P for perpendicular, H for hypotenuse. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means P upon H. We learn it from here. P upon H, sin theta is P upon H. And next is cos theta. Cos theta is B upon H. What is B here? B is base. B here base, and H for hypotenuse. Same for the sin theta and cos theta. What is sin theta is P upon H, cos theta is B upon H. And when we divide sin theta upon cos theta, when we divide sin theta and cos theta, the answer should become in tan theta. The answer should become in tan theta. that is sin upon cos gives tan theta. Here p upon h, b upon h, we divided here these two terms and it comes into p upon b, that is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to p upon b, means perpendicular upon base. Next is cosec theta. Cosec theta is just nothing but a reciprocal of sin theta. Cosec theta is just nothing a reciprocal of sin theta. Cosec theta is h upon p, means h upon p hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Most of the time, most of the students say perpendicular as a height. We also can say hypotenuse upon height or hypotenuse upon perpendicular. What you learn? Hypotenuse upon perpendicular is a cosec theta. Next is sec theta. Sec theta is h upon b. H upon b means hypotenuse upon base is just a reciprocal of cos theta. And next is cot theta. Cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. Cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is p upon b and cot theta is b upon p. So thank you Team Byju's for giving me this demonstration and providing me this wonderful opportunity to explore my teaching experience. Thank you.